Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Cutting, removing insulation, stripping. You can do all this in one go with Wurth's VDE electrical installation pliers. The induction-hardened cutting edges trim electric leads reliably and precisely. The pliers also strip cables immaculately and cleanly. The pliers have 2 additional holes for removing wire insulation. Wires can be stripped quickly in this way. With the non-slip 2-component grips, the pliers sit comfortably in your hand. A high collar ensures working safety. No lengthy searches, no annoying change of tool. With the VDE electrical installation pliers, you can work quickly, ergonomically, and comfortably.
The multifunctional electrician's pliers are an essential tool for every electrician. They can be used for 7 different types of operations. You can wind hard wire and bend rings, which can be bent to the right or to the left side, as the pliers have rounding on both sides of the one jaw. You can use them to strip off insulation from diameter 2.2 millimeters to diameter 3.0 millimeters, and diameter 3.5 millimeters to diameter 4.0 millimeters. They can be used to cut wire diameter 2.2 millimeters to diameter 4.0 millimeters, crimp insulated spade terminals, crimp cable terminals up to diameter 4.0 millimeters, and grip objects with a more delicate surface. The pliers' jaws are serrated to prevent the wire from slipping and ensure a firm grip of cables and wires. Due to their special innovative design and shape, the handles ensure an extremely firm grip. As a result, they prevent slipping and enable safer and more effective transmission of power, as well as greater stability. The multifunctional electrician's pliers allow great precision and maximum efficiency with minimal strain.
These installation pliers are based on cable shears. The electrician uses these to effortlessly and accurately cut various types of cable without crushing or fraying them, both highly flexible stranded wire cable as well as solid conductor cables. Cables cut to length must be stripped. An experienced electrician carefully deploys cable cutters to remove the cable sheathing. Single conductors are stripped using the precise stripping holes. There is no contact with or damage to the conductor in this process. End sleeves must be mounted to connect flexible wiring. After removing the cable insulation using the stripping holes, the end sleeve is attached and reliably crimped onto the strands of the cable in the universal crimp die.